Hello, my name is Sally Gimmon, and I'm the owner of thetrustisyou.com in a free class on the great discovery called Stop U.S. State Taxes. My goal is to teach this to as many people what the Spendthrift Trust is. A little bit of information. The Spendthrift Trust comes from England way back when King Henry VIII started the Church of England. He went to go tax the lords and ladies of England, and they went further back into history to the Magna Carta, said, no, 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 King Henry VIII, you can't do this. It's came to the United States as contract law while we were still part of the Britain. Our current tax code went into effect February of 1913. Only supposed to be around for a few years, and it's now been 111 years. And the only thing it's gotten is bigger and bigger and bigger. The super rich families back in 1913, the Carnegies, the DuPonts, the Kennedys, and the Rockefellers put it into IRS Tax Code 643B. If they can save taxes, we should be able to save taxes. My name is Sally Gimmon. Like I said, I have a free class on the Great Discovery. If you just go out to my name, www.sallygimmon.com, you'll get a 23-minute presentation, 3 articles from Forbes magazine, 2 pages of case law to prove to you this is true, because it's been in front of the United States Supreme Court on 2 separate occasions, and a chart that shows you if you're making at least $80,000 a year filing single, how much you will save in all 50 states. Now, there are 5 different trusts that Paul Benson, a Harvard law professor, wrote. Now his grandson and great-grandson run the law firm. They have the copyright on all 5 trusts. Today, we're going to talk about just the business trust. All 5 trusts are going to save you in 4 very important ways. Write this down. You're going to save taxes year after year, generation after generation. Number 2, it's going to keep your information completely private. When I became a real estate investor in 2018, everyone told me, oh, get LLCs for each one of your properties. It'll keep you from being sued. Not true. Anybody can go onto the Secretary of State or the Corporation Commission website and research LLCs, S Corps, and C Corps. 40% of these kind of companies get sued every year. Bet you didn't know that. I didn't either. I had to Google it. With the Spendthrift Trust, you put all your assets into the trust. It's a titanium vault, and nobody can get a hold of it. Third way you're going to save, talking about lawsuits. All your assets are in the trust, and it's a titanium vault. All lawsuits become frivolous. I have stories when you make an appointment with me about famous people who use the trust to get out of trouble. And the fourth way you save, if you have any of the 5 trusts, you will not have to do the 2024 Corporate Transparency Act from the Treasury Department. This is for the Treasury Department, not the IRS. And if you don't do the paperwork by December 31st, 2024, you could be fined. And by the way, you have to be an LLC, an S Corp, a C Corp, or doing business as DBA. You have to file this paperwork or be fined $10,000 and or 2 years in jail for not doing paperwork. Yikes. So there's 5 trusts. Today we're going to talk about the business trust. That's for all U.S. business owners, entrepreneurs, franchisee owners, and anyone making 1099 income. You could be an insurance agent. You could be an affiliate marketer. You could be a digital marketer. The other trust I sell a lot of is the beneficial trust. That's for all investors. There are 5 different taxes you'll save with the beneficial trust: short-term and long-term capital gains, interest income, dividend income, rental income, and royalty income taxes. But today's example is a kind of fun example. This gentleman saw one of my videos on YouTube. He contacted me. Actually, his wife contacted me to say, can this work in Ohio? I'm like, of course it can work in Ohio. It's on the federal level. So they have 2 car washes in Ohio. They filed jointly. They're making over $900,000 a year with the car washes and everything they sell in the car washes. I didn't know there was so much food and everything else. So when we did this information, when I took them out to NerdWallet, a free website. This is going to give you the formula for taxes, and they're going to save $221.154 a year in federal taxes. Add on the Ohio taxes of $29,105 they'll save. So a grand total of $250,159 a year. But wait, you pay your taxes every month, so they're going to save $20,800 $846 per month. They can use this money to put this back into the 2 car washes. They can use this money to pay off their mortgage, buy a new car, take the family on vacation, give to a charity, to save for retirement. This is their money. They will file a 1041 tax return, a little bit different, and we introduce you to the CPA who does this. Again, I'm inviting all U.S. investors, U.S. business owners, entrepreneurs, franchisee owners, this is a franchisee owner, 1099 income earners, to learn more about the Spendthrift Trust. I have a free class on the Great Discovery. Again, just my name, www.sallygimmon.com. Go out there, learn the secret of the rich, make a 30-minute tax breakthrough session with me, and start saving money. I learned the secret. I want to share it with as many people as I can. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a beautiful day. Oops, let me get back over here and stop the video. Take care.